Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. For today's skills tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use Thermoweb's Spray and Bond fabric stiffener, as well as make 4 and 8 half-square triangles at one time. So let's begin. Start by shaking your fabric stiffener. Then spray it all over the fabric you are wanting to stiffen. You do not need to soak it. Then you can press using Thermoweb's pressing paper to make it dry faster and ready to use right away. To make the half-square triangles, you will need to prepare 2 squares of fabric with the fabric stiffener. Once those are prepared, you will need to draw a line from corner to corner on the wrong side of the fabric. Once your lines are drawn, you will need to layer your fabric right sides together. Pin to secure. Once pinned, you will sew a straight line 1/4 inch away from the lines you drew on both sides. Once your lines have been sewn, you will need to trim your fabric square. This is where the magic happens. This is where you'll make 8 half-square triangles at one time. First, you'll want to trim on the lines you drew. Next, you will cut down the center of your square. And repeat and cut down the center of the opposite direction. Next, you'll need to press and trim your squares. For the project that these squares are for, I needed to trim them to 5.5 inches. I used the guidelines on my ruler to help me trim. To make the half-square triangles 4 at a time, you will repeat the same steps with the fabric stiffener. Once your fabric is ready, you will place them right sides together. For this, you will sew using 1/4 inch, and you will sew around the entire perimeter of your square. For trimming, to get 4 half-square triangles at one time, you simply need to trim from corner to corner. Just as you did with the 8 half-square triangles, you will also need to press and trim your 4 half-square triangles.